Morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, April 1st, April Fool's Day. We will start with high pressure today. Nice clear skies under weak high pressure, but that quickly breaks down as we have a breezy to windy system on Saturday. The little precip is expected, but it will be, like I said, breezy to windy on Saturday. Just some very light snow across our northern areas. And then we do have precipitation returns, mainly for our higher elevations and kind of a west-northwest flow Monday into Tuesday. But this is a very strong system. We're looking for moderate to strong winds. And then, again, most of the snow will be in the western central mountains and then across the Wyoming border. And then it does bring some quite cool temperatures Tuesday into Wednesday. So here's our high pressure. You can kind of see the high pressure ridging right here that extends north. And then you can just kind of see the beginning of the next system that will kind of go up and over Montana on Saturday. This is the system that's just pulling out that we just had. Again, here's the high pressure for today. Again, clear skies, mostly clear skies across the area, and just nice temperatures, just slightly near normal, if not just slightly above. And then again, that system here is will create some windy conditions and just a little bit of precip across the northern areas for Saturday. It will bring a near wind advisory, if not wind advisory. So 30 miles an hour sustained, gust of 40 across the Snake Plain. Mainly some in the shown area. I'll show you the winds in a minute. A little bit of the eastern Magic Valley and southern Snake Plain and Arco Desert were the areas for the wind advisory. Otherwise, just breezy elsewhere, in that 20 mile an hour range, maybe gusting to 30. And then the more significant system is Monday into Tuesday. Again, as I mentioned, the primary areas of snow were going to be the western edge of the Sawtooths, Galena and north. In general, the snow mounts will be around 2 to 4 inches. We'll have some western slope areas get that 4 to 6 inches, possibly 8, but generally 4 to 6 on the western slopes. That's why we have that marked moderate. And these are just kind of minor impacts for the southern and eastern highlands on the Wyoming border. And that lingers into Monday morning. The winds, it does happen late in the afternoon into the early morning hours of Tuesday. So that's why you continue to have the wind. We'll have a little bit of valley rain with this, but not a lot. And the snow levels will be fairly high, particularly with that southwest winds ahead. We'll go more into the snow levels as we go into the weekend to kind of nail those down. High temperatures today, you see just near normal. And then the wind gusts, just slightly breezy today, not too bad. This is mainly the afternoon gust. Saturday, our temperatures do rise about 5 degrees above normal, 3 to 5 degrees. Southwest flow ahead of that next system. The system does move through more at mid to late afternoon. That's when your winds really start to pick up near that wind advisory levels. And so these areas here are the ones who probably need the wind advisories for possibly across this area here as well, the Big Lost area. We'll evaluate that. So those are the stronger winds, particularly those red areas for Saturday. And again, this system, as far as the winds, kick in a little bit mid-afternoon to late afternoon into the early evening. And then here's the snow mounts, just more or less a trace, maybe up to 1 inch in our very extreme northern areas, but very little, if any, snow. And then our high temperatures on Sunday, above normal, 5 to 10 degrees. And then you can see Monday, they're still above normal. The system does move in late as well, late Monday afternoon into early evening, through the early morning hours on Tuesday. So there's your wind gust in the afternoon. Solid wind advisories across this area, evaluating whether they need high wind warning. But it looks pretty solid that it's just wind advisory at this point for most areas across the Snake Plains and our southwest areas here. And then you can see it picks up in the evening even. And I'll show you that it continues into Tuesday. Those are Tuesday afternoon, on Tuesday morning. Mainly those are Tuesday morning winds, and they do back off in the afternoon. And go back to the snow mounts. Here's what I mentioned earlier: that 2 to 4, and then there is some areas that we get up to 6 right on the western slopes. Over here, we're looking for just 1 to 2 inches, maybe right on the Wyoming line, a little bit higher, 2 to 4 inches. And then here's our temperatures on Tuesday. You can see they drop quite a bit, a good 10 degrees below normal, if not a little bit more, so 8 to 12 degrees below normal. And then I just wanted to show you Tuesday morning near freezing. And then real significantly, I want to show you that as the high pressure builds in and clearing, you do get some mid 20s in there across the upper Snake Plain in particular. So that is quite cool, well below normal. So just to recap, we have a nice day today, high pressure, clear skies. That changes for Saturday, where we have breezy to moderate winds. Wind advisory likely across the eastern Imagine Valley and southern Snake Plain. Very light snow in our northern areas, but just mostly a trace, maybe up to half an inch. And again, in the northern central mountains, the precip does return Monday into Tuesday in a western northwest flow, mainly favoring the western slopes of the Sawtooths and the along the Wyoming border of the upslope areas. The bigger impact on Monday into Tuesday is going to be the moderate to strong winds, wind advisories, if not high wind warnings, for most of the Snake Plain, and then also some mountain areas in our southwest areas. Travel corridors like I-84 and I-86 and I-15 will all be impacted late Monday into Tuesday morning. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thank you.